Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Marwan with you. Today we will do together a famous street sandwich shawarma in Lebanon, Lebanese style. Are you like it and you want to do it with me? Let's do it. Let's do it. We cut slice first. As you see one side we cut it 4 pieces, then cut it like that. Should be very thin. How you see? The chicken, we need to add the spices. We need sweet pepper, half spoon, nutmeg powder, finger bunch, 7 spices, finger bunch, cumin powder, half spoon, coriander powder, half spoon, Fenugreek powder, finger bunch, salt, teaspoon, garlic powder, teaspoon, paprika, half spoon, black pepper, finger bunch, half piece orange slice cut, as you see, half piece lemon slice. As you see, the mixer is done, and look the texture, it's very nice. Oh, the smell, wow, amazing. Now we need to put in the fridge 6 hours minimum to get it perfect flavor. Then we will cook together. Okay? Hi guys, I know all waiting. Know how we make shawarma. I will inform you that 6 hours it's over. So let's go. Noted guys, I know other chefs or your mom or sister, whatever, they make and they added lemon juice and orange juice in shawarma without skin. Me, I make the slice as you see in the preparation because I want bitter. Okay? Become amazing taste. Trust me and try it. Now it's ready. Wow! I can smell the orange. Let's prep sandwich. Take care guys. No garlic, no shawarma. Spread in garlic sauce. Oh, this extra little because I like it. Oh, after chicken we need sure cucumber pickles, Lebanese style without lettuce. I don't think you will get it. It's ready. Let's roll it. Then should be crispy. Now we'll toast it. Now, after we toasted the shawarma, let's cut it. Now, my sandwich is ready. Let's try. The crispy potato. Amazing! I hope to try it, and after try or before, as you wish, please don't forget to make subscribe, like, comment, share. See you next video. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and sure YouTube.